Yelp has added a new feature that allows users to personalize the app to fit their lifestyle and dietary preferences. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to personalize Yelp. Now let's get started. To start, open the Yelp app on your mobile device and tap Me in the menu at the bottom. Then scroll down and select Your Preferences. Now, tap any dietary and food preferences that apply to you. When you're done, tap Save Preferences at the bottom. Now, when you search for places on Yelp, the results will automatically be filtered according to the preferences you've set. That's all it takes to personalize your Yelp app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new videos like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.